You like it? So it's good because it's for sale and the owners is very motivated. Listed at $49,000, today you could offer 30 and it would be a yes. So yes, 532 square meters. So about 5,500 square feet lot. It's an eighth of an acre. We are in Paradise Bay. It's like a 2-minute drive to town. Behind the church, straight line south for about 4 blocks, passing the hill, Paradise Bay, facing here southwest. 2 floors, we have about 1,000 square feet, so 100 square meters first as platforms, and we'll use more. Here we have our parking, 1 unit of 70 square meters of 2 floors, a bodega on the side and a parking lot. So it's an amazing offer. The owner is really motivated. It's an old person, so the wish here is to get an offer between $25,000 to $30,000. But it's a very, very big deal, a bargain to get. Here. Okay, so to understand the lot better, you have a shape of 21.5 or 22 meters wide, up road, or 25 meters deep. So here we are in the middle of the platforms. You see you have about on the stretch road, my road, and we have 21.5, 22 meters on this side. So we have a large space to don't find more deeper the lot. It's a very easy lot to build. 1-2 unit, small parking lot. It's perfect for you. 2 floors from here. Amazing. Here in San Juan del Sur, Bastien Mahé for BVN Real Estate.